Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hello, we are going to be going over our e-commerce backend with our ORM, our object relational mapping. So first we have to create the database. So that has now been done. Then we'll come over here and we'll seed our database. So we say npm run seed, let it do some of its magic. And there we go. So we have our database synced and seeded. So now we will start the server. So we say npm run start. And let it do it. And there we go. So it is now listening on port 3001. So if we come over here to Insomnia, and this is where we will kind of go over all of our APIs. We'll start off with our categories. So if we say get categories, this will pull up all of the categories that we have. We can also do individual ones by ID. So if we say categories ID, nope, 1, there we go, and send. And it pulls up just the shirts. We have our category shirts with the product plain t-shirt inside of it. We can also do all of our tags. Send. And there are all of the tags. And similar, if we just wanted to pull up an ID, so we'll say tag ID 4, send, and that gives us red. And that is associated with product name branded baseball hats. And so lastly, we will get all of our products. So we say products, send, and there we have all of our products. There we go. It froze on me for a second, but we're back. So we got all of our products. And we can also do this, of course, by ID as well. So we're going to say products ID 5. That will give us our cargo shorts, which is associated with the category shorts and has the tag ID of 3, so blue. We can also create things. We'll start off with categories since it's the easiest. So if we type in categories and we say post, all we need is a category name. So category underscore name. And we will give this, we will call our new category pants. So we say send, there it is, it gave it an ID of 6. So if we say get categories, and wait for it to load, we can see our new one down here at the bottom. It currently doesn't have any products associated with it, that's why that array is empty. We can also do a tag, which is also fairly simple. It just needs a tag name, and we will say rainbow. That is our new tag name. Send. Oops. Oh, make sure you're in the right one. So tags, post tags. There it is. Now we have it there. It has an ID of 9. So if we say get tags, let it load, and then it should be down here at the bottom. There it is. And again, like this one, it doesn't have any products associated with it. So that's why that array is empty. But we can add or create a new product. So we say products. I'm going to go ahead and get a product real quick just so I can make it simpler on myself because I need a few of these things. So if we come over here, we'll drop those in. And so we say product name, oops, double quotes, product name, and we will say blue jeans since we made a category that was pants. Say blue jeans, and we will give them a price of $35, and we'll say we have 20 of them in stock. Category ID associated with this is 6, I believe. And then we need one more thing, which is tag, oops, tap that over, say tag IDs. And this is an array because it can have more than one. And so we'll say 3 and 6. Those are going to be our tag IDs. Make sure we're in a post. So this is how we create a new product. We'll say send. And then it returns to us the product tag ID, so 13 and 14, basically the routes for product ID 6 and tag 3. This is the product tag ID. So if we come back over to get products, we say send, and then it should be down here at the bottom. Yes, there we go. We say we have blue jeans associated with category pants, and we gave it the tags 3 and 6, so blue and white. Now we can also update all of these things. We'll go and update a category first. Categories. And this one again is just the category name. So we say category underscore name, oops, underscore. And we say, instead of pants, we want to call it jeans. That's our new category name. So this one again requires an ID. So this is ID 6 or category ID 6 for pants. We're going to change it to jeans. Say send, now it has been changed. So blue jeans has now been put into jeans. We can also, of course, update a tag. So we'll say tag 9, which was rainbow, and we're going to change it to tie-dye. So we go to our tag name and we say, I don't want rainbow, I want tie-dye. So we say tie-dye, send. Oops. Oh, 9 tags. Tags 9. There we go. So now we have updated tag 9. There are still no products in it, that's why that's empty, but we can also say, hey, I want to update a product. So we'll say products, let's see which one we want to update. So I say we should update our blue jeans. So again, we need its product name, the price, the stock, category IDs, and we'll also need our tag IDs. But we're going to copy and paste that right in, clean that up just so it's all nice and neat. Then we'll say again our tag IDs, which is an array. And let's see, we'll keep everything the same. We'll keep it as blue jeans. We'll change the price to now it's $55. Oops. Oh no. There we go. $55, and we'll say we have only 10 in stock. It's still ID 6. We're going to give it tag ID now 9 and 3. So we'll have blue jeans and tie-dye jeans. Make sure we are input so that I can update all of those. Send, oops. And of course we have to give this its ID. There we go. So now it has changed it, and it says now it has a new tag ID and a new product tag ID. So if we say get products 6, and now it has changed. Now it is blue and tie-dye instead of blue and white. So now we have updated that. We can also, of course, delete things, and it's easiest if you delete a tag first. So we say tag 9 is the one we're going to delete. It's, oops, tags. I keep forgetting that. Send. And it doesn't really return anything. It just kind of says, okay, it's been good. So now you can say get tags. And if we say send, it is now gone. There is no more tie-dye. You can also delete a product because you can't delete a category if it has products in it. So we have to delete our products first. So products -6 was our blue jeans. And if we say send, we should get an OK. Now if we get products, we should see that our blue jeans have been deleted. So yep, our cargo shorts are the last thing. We don't see our blue jeans anymore. And so if we can now finally delete category 6, which was pants, we can say categories -6 is the one we are going to delete. So send, OK. So if we get our categories, we should see the pants category has now been deleted. And in fact, there we go. We don't have any more than 5. So that is all of our API routes, how they work, and its functionality. There we go.